Hey guys, let's talk about something that's been generating a lot of buzz in the wellness world, berberine. You know me, I'm all about giving you guys the information you need to make informed decisions about your health, and today, we're diving deep into the world of berberine supplements. So, what exactly is berberine? In a nutshell, it's a natural compound found in several plants, and it's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Now, modern science is catching up and finding that berberine might offer a whole bunch of potential benefits, like supporting healthy blood sugar levels, promoting heart health, and even aiding in weight management. But with so many berberine supplements out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll be breaking down the top berberine supplements on the market, comparing their ingredients, dosages, and overall effectiveness. First up, we've got Berberine Supplement A. A supplement that's been making waves in the wellness community for all the right reasons. And let me tell you, this one's a heavy hitter. It's not just another supplement on the shelf, it's a game changer for those looking to boost their health. Now, one of the things I really like about this particular supplement is that it uses a highly bioavailable form of berberine. This means that the berberine is in a form that your body can easily absorb and make use of. Big word, I know, but what it means is that your body can actually absorb and utilize the berberine effectively. This is crucial because many supplements on the market don't offer this level of bioavailability. And that's super important because what's the point of taking a supplement if your body can't even use it, right? You want to make sure that every capsule you take is working hard for you. Another thing that sets this supplement apart is its commitment to quality. From the sourcing of ingredients to the manufacturing process, every step is meticulously monitored. They use standardized extracts, which basically means you're getting a consistent dose of berberine in every single capsule. No guesswork, no inconsistencies. This is particularly important for maintaining the efficacy of the supplement over time. Plus, Berberine Supplement A is also third-party tested for purity and potency, so you can be confident that you're getting exactly what's on the label. This extra layer of testing ensures that there are no hidden surprises. And you know I'm all about transparency, so I always appreciate companies that go the extra mile to ensure the quality of their products. It's this kind of dedication that builds trust with consumers. Now, in terms of dosage, Berberine Supplement A typically comes in dosage capsules. This makes it easy to tailor your intake to your specific needs. Of course, it's always best to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it as needed. This approach helps your body adjust and ensures you get the most benefit without any adverse effects. And as always, make sure to consult with your doctor before adding any new supplements to your routine. Your healthcare provider can offer personalized advice based on your unique health needs and conditions. So, if you're looking for a supplement that combines quality, efficacy, and transparency, Berberine Supplement A might just be your first-class ticket to wellness. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your health journey. Next up, let's talk about Berberine Supplement B, a supplement that's been gaining a lot of attention lately for its impressive health benefits. This one's a bit different because it combines berberine with other synergistic ingredients to enhance its effects. These additional components are carefully selected to work in harmony with berberine, amplifying its benefits and making it a more comprehensive supplement. We're talking about things like turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and milk thistle, which supports liver health. These ingredients not only complement berberine but also bring their own unique benefits to the table. Now, I really like this approach because these additional ingredients can work together to provide even greater support for your overall health. Imagine having a supplement that not only helps regulate blood sugar levels but also supports your liver and reduces inflammation. For example, milk thistle is known for its liver protective effects, which can be particularly beneficial when combined with berberine's ability to support metabolic health. This combination can help you achieve a more balanced and holistic approach to wellness. It's like a tag team for your well-being. Each ingredient plays its part, ensuring that you're getting the most out of your supplement. Another thing that's great about Berberine Supplement B is that it's formulated with natural ingredients and is free from common allergens like gluten, soy, and dairy. This makes it accessible to a wider range of people, including those with specific dietary restrictions. So, if you have any sensitivities or follow a specific diet, this one's definitely worth considering. You can enjoy the benefits of berberine without worrying about potential allergens. And just like our first contender, Berberine Supplement B is also third-party tested for quality and purity. This means you can trust that what's on the label is exactly what's in the bottle, with no unwanted surprises. Because at the end of the day, you want to make sure you're putting the best possible ingredients into your body. Quality and transparency are key when it comes to choosing the right supplement. Now, when it comes to dosage, Berberine Supplement B usually recommends dosage. It's important to follow the recommended guidelines to ensure you're getting the optimal benefits. But again, it's always a good idea to start slow and listen to your body. Everyone's different, and what works for one person might need to be adjusted for another. Pay attention to how you feel and make any necessary adjustments to your dosage. Now let's move on to Berberine Supplement C, a supplement that has been gaining a lot of attention lately for its targeted approach to health. This one's particularly interesting because it's formulated with a specific health goal in mind, supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Blood sugar management is crucial for overall health, and Berberine Supplement C aims to make this easier for you. Whether you're looking to manage blood sugar or support metabolic health, this targeted approach can be really effective. Regular exercise and a balanced diet are essential, but supplements like Berberine Supplement C can provide that extra support to help you achieve your health goals. One of the things that sets Berberine Supplement C apart is its unique blend of ingredients. It's not just about berberine. The supplement includes other powerful components that work together to enhance its effectiveness. In addition to berberine, it also contains cinnamon and chromium. These ingredients are well known for their health benefits, particularly in supporting blood sugar levels and metabolic health. These ingredients work synergistically to enhance insulin sensitivity and support glucose metabolism. This means your body can use insulin more effectively, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Another thing I appreciate about this supplement is its commitment to research and development. The company behind Berberine Supplement C invests in scientific studies to ensure that their product is both safe and effective. They use clinically studied ingredients and dosages to ensure optimal results. This means you can trust that the supplement is backed by science, not just marketing claims, and that's something I always look for in a supplement because it shows that they're not just throwing ingredients together but actually have science backing up their claims. This level of commitment to quality and efficacy is what makes Berberine Supplement C stand out. Berberine Supplement C is also manufactured in a GMP-certified facility, which means it adheres to strict quality control standards. This certification ensures that the product is made in a clean and controlled environment, reducing the risk of contamination. So, you can rest assured that you're getting a safe and effective product. Customer satisfaction is a top priority, and many users have reported positive results after incorporating Berberine Supplement C into their daily routine. When it comes to dosage, Berberine Supplement C typically recommends 1 capsule twice a day. This convenient dosage makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine without any hassle. But as always, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for your individual needs. Personalized advice from a healthcare professional can help you get the most out of this supplement and ensure it fits well with your overall health plan. Now let's talk about Berberine Supplement D. This one's a great option if you're looking for a high-quality berberine supplement that won't break the bank. Just because it's budget-friendly doesn't mean it compromises on quality. Berberine Supplement D still uses a bioavailable form of berberine and is third-party tested for purity and potency. It's all about providing value without sacrificing quality. One of the things that makes Berberine Supplement D so affordable is its simple and straightforward formula. It focuses on delivering a pure and potent dose of berberine without any unnecessary additives or fillers, and sometimes that's all you need. Another great thing about this supplement is that it comes in a variety of sizes, so you can choose the option that best fits your needs and budget. Whether you're looking to try berberine for the first time or need a long-term supply, they've got you covered. Now, in terms of dosage, Berberine Supplement D typically recommends 1 to 2 capsules per day, but remember it's always best to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it as needed. Last but not least, let's talk about Berberine Supplement E. This one's a fantastic option for all my vegan friends out there. It's formulated with plant-based ingredients and is completely free from animal products. Finding high-quality vegan supplements can sometimes be a challenge, but Berberine Supplement E makes it easy. One of the things that sets this supplement apart is its commitment to sustainability. They use ethically sourced ingredients and eco-friendly packaging whenever possible. So, you can feel good about supporting a company that cares about the environment. Another thing I like about Berberine Supplement E is that it's gentle on the stomach. Berberine supplements can sometimes cause digestive discomfort, but this one is formulated to be easy to digest, even for those with sensitive stomachs. And just like our other contenders, Berberine Supplement E is third-party tested for quality and purity, so you can be confident that you're getting a safe and effective product. When it comes to dosage, Berberine Supplement E typically recommends 1 capsule twice a day, but as always, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for your individual needs. So there you have it, guys, a breakdown of the top Berberine supplements on the market. From highly bioavailable options to targeted formulas and budget-friendly choices, there's a Berberine supplement out there for everyone. Remember, the best Berberine supplement for you will depend on your individual needs and health goals. It's always a good idea to do your research, read reviews, and consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right choice for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. And for more health and wellness tips, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.